Henderson Surname and Meaning, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English and Scottish surname derived from the Middle English or Old Scots word Henrisone, meaning Henry's son. Early bearers included William Henrisone in Scotland in 1374 and Thomas Henderson in Yorkshire, England in 1379. Noble titles held included the Henderson Baronetcy of Fordell in the County of Fife. It was created in the Baronetage of Nova Scotia in 1664 for Sir John Henderson. The 5th Baronet sat as a Member of Parliament for Fife, Kirkcaldy Burghs, Seaford and Stirling Burghs, and the title became extinct upon the death of the 6th Baronet in 1833. And here we see Sir John Henderson, born 1752, the 5th Baronet, trained as a lawyer, along with his wife, Anna Robertson. The Henderson Baronetcy of Buscot Park in the County of Berkshire was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1902 for Sir Alexander Henderson, a Member of Parliament, and later he was elevated to the Peerage of the United Kingdom as Baron Faringdon of Buscot Park in 1916. Landed gentry included Henderson of Stemster in County Caithness, Scotland. And notables include Alexander Henderson, born around the year 1583, a Scottish theologian and an important ecclesiastical statesman of his period. He is considered the second founder of the Reformed Church in Scotland. John Henderson, born 1747, was an English actor who inherited David Garrick's mantle as the greatest Shakespearean actor. Ebenezer Henderson, born 1784, was a Scottish minister and missionary who spent time in Scandinavia and was an accomplished linguist and translator. William Henderson, born 1810, was a conventionally trained Scottish physician who became an influential advocate for homeopathy in Great Britain. Archibald Henderson, born 1783, was the longest-serving commandant of the Marine Corps in the 1820s through, looks like, 1859. Thomas Henderson, born 1798, was a Scottish astronomer and mathematician, noted for being the first person to measure the distance to Alpha Centauri. Early settlers included Alexander Henderson, who arrived in Virginia in 1650, Gilbert came to Virginia in 1652, Henrik came to Virginia in 1657, Patrick Henderson arrived in Maryland in 1663, Flora Henderson came to Maryland 2 years later, and there was Hugh Henderson, who came to New England in 1729, Anna Anderson came to New York in 1739, and lastly, William Henderson arrived in Halifax, Canada in 1749. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.